Okay, welcome to our dedicated YouTube channel, Belly How Returns. I'm going to ask a question that I noticed here on ask.com, which you can do your research. You'll see here, you'll see on the video, on the bottom of the video, this is the link. But the question is, how to invest my money in high interest? And the question they answered, which I'm going to answer my question, I'm going to give you alternatives also, is their answer is to become a value customer. Value customers of a bank are the ones that move the most money into the bank. They usually pay top of the line banking services. Also, here's a reference. I'm going to give you the reference that you can go to also. The reference link, which this was in June 3rd, 2007. Where can I invest my money to realize at least a 10% return? Which some people, just heads up, veer away from that. It's kind of like a Ponzi scheme. Most people that have a jumbo, the baby boom, or people that are used to investing 1 to 2%. That's something that stands out as a Ponzi scheme. So most investors veer away from that. Most investors that have a jumbo account, which that is available, is available as an alternative investing in private funding as a private lender. Which this is my site also. If you sign on, this is an 18-minute video. Leave your email. You can go to this site, leave your email, or you can go to our page that you're on. You can go to my our dedicated channel and then answer the questions also. But the question is, once again, which I'm going to answer, that's going to have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to answer that for alternative. How to invest my money in a higher interest rate as an alternative way. An alternative way where you can invest your money. If you have a jumbo account, you'll allow, there's two ways you could do this also. If you have a jumbo IRA CD, you can get a custodian, which you can call me or ask me or email me for references of a custodian, or IRA custodian. Pretty much they're the middle person where most people are not aware that you can invest with your IRAs. The same method that you invest with your IRAs for a stock and mutual funds or with your stockbroker is the same method you can invest and have it converted to a self-directed jumbo IRA to invest as a private lender on an investment property. So I'm just going to go on numbers. Let's just say, example, the house I find a house here in Dallas, Texas, or the Dallas Fort Worth area, or any area that, or any investor that's familiar of this process that I'm telling you. Let's just say I find a house is worth, just do even numbers, it's worth $100,000, and I can get it for $50,000. It's a probate, or it's a real REO, real estate owned by banks or portfolio. So they bought it back from the foreclosure. Now they just want to get it off their books. So I can get the property for 50,000. The property needs 20 to 25,000 fix up. Here's where you come into place for alternative method where your property, your investment is secure. You're acting as a private funder for investors such as myself or yourself, where you can convert that money, your profits, back into your IRA. Or you can convert that money where you're making a higher interest rate where most, if you see here, the yield for 11.63, let's just say, which that's unheard of. I mean, that's very, well, that's 1,000. But let's just say you had $100,000. If you go to your regular bank, the Bank of America, Chase, or your credit unions, you have a 1 to 2%. 2% is very rare, but let's say 1% annually for $100,000. That's about what, 80 some dollars a month. Even if it was $1,200, that's $100 you're making off $100,000. I have an alternative program where if once you go to my site, it will explain more. You can also get access to me, answer a few questions. I'll be happy to show you the process. Nothing. You do your due diligence. I mean, this is unheard of returns that the 1% is taking advantage of. So I'll give you an example. House after repair value of the houses in a 3 mile radius, 90 mile radius, 93 mile radius, they're valued at $100,000. This is where this is so strong. Our real estate attorney or our title company sends you the documents of the appraisal, send you the documents of the survey, send you the documents of the repairs needed, and you're purchasing the home. Once they send you that information, you're going to purchase the home for that amount. And we're going to give you the competitive interest rate. The interest rate is agreed on, and you're making more on your money than the 2% compared to. Here's the next question. Nicholas, how is my money secured? Your money is secured by the property. You're on title of the property, and you're structuring a note or IOU or a mortgage to that person, the borrower, which is myself or the investors. They're borrowing, but you're making a better return, a better and smooth return on your money. The properties also has title insurance, homeowners insurance, and we're doing all the servicing of the property and the payments. It's a smooth process, normally 90 to 120 days, no more than 6 months. Or it varies on how you want to structure. If you want fixed income where you're getting dividends at the end of the year, we also have clients available for that. But anyhow, that's what this explains. So I'm going to answer that question again. How to invest my money at a higher interest rate? This is their answer. Become a valued customer of a bank, or the ones that move the most money into the bank. They usually pay for top of the line banking services. So let me give you an example. Become a valued customer of my acquisition company. Valued customers of my acquisition company are the ones that move the most money on there, or returns. For, let's say, move the most money on the bank. Your money is secure, which I'll be happy once again to answer those questions. So next video is going to be, where can I invest my money with higher interest, profit, and low risk? I'm going to answer that question. So stay tuned in the video. Once again, make sure you guys subscribe now for updates to my videos, and also subscribe here for better high returns, where we have updated blogs and information that's going on to today's public for retirement, or those who are younger crowd that's looking to retire in time. So thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next video.